Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox Browser on your LG Q70. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store, look for the Firefox. Now let's select it and click Install. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch this browser. Now we can begin the setup, so choose a different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, and also switch these privacy settings. Afterwards, you should be able to click on Start Browsing, open any website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.